Hi, I'm Bob from Plastic Pipe Shop, and in this video we're going to have a look at the plain to threaded fittings that we have on our website. Okay, so here we've got a selection of our plain threaded fittings. So on one side we have a plain socket. On this one, this is a plain threaded male adapter. So we have a plain socket on this side where our pipe glues into. So we paint glue inside the socket here, we paint glue on our pipe, the pipe pushes inside the socket as far as the landing ridge on the bottom. So you've got to remember when you're measuring your pipe to measure the depth of entry on the socket, because you're going to lose that when the pipe gets glued in. On the other side of this we have a male thread. Male threads, the thread is always showing. On a female thread it's always inside, so if the thread was inside here, that would be a female thread. Easy way to remember is that males always like to expose themselves, so so the male thread is always exposed and the female is always hidden. So you can get plain threaded fittings in a variety of fittings and valves. This one, for example, is a valve where we've got a plain socket on one side and a threaded female on the other. A female because the thread is hidden, it's inside the socket. So a valve like this might be used for coming off of a main line and then maybe a hose tail or something going on the end of the valve onto a hose. This is a bit of a peculiar fitting. It's a tank connector. You'll find these on our site in the plain threaded section. So this is designed to go through a hole in a tank with a gasket either side and to be clamped onto the tank. So on the inside of the tank we have this, and the outside of the tank we have this. This is a peculiar one because we have a plain socket on this side, so a pipe can go in here. We also have on the outside, it's the size of a plain spigot, so actually a socket can go on here, so you could glue a 90-degree elbow over the top of here. Then on this side it gets even weirder because this is a plain socket here, which is the same size as this socket, a plain glue socket if you wanted to glue something in there. Or you can also make use of the thread on this side and you can thread something on there. So it's a plain thread fitting if you make use of the thread. It's maybe a fully plain fitting if you're just going to glue something in one side and something in the other. So that's our plain threaded fittings. As I say, they're available in all sorts of sizes, all sorts of shapes, elbows, T's, males and females. That's about it. So thanks for watching. Bye.